Hey, what is up, guys? So, in this video, first we will be doing the assignment that I asked you guys to do in the last video, and then we're gonna be looking into what continue statements are, so how they're helpful. So, let's get started. So, first, let's do the odd number assignment. So, first, let's get the user input. So, if you guys not know what the assignment was, you can check out my previous videos. So I usually give assignments. So yeah, that's basically it. So that's what I'm doing. Let's get the input from the user and then enter the integer. Okay, once the user inputs the integer, I'm gonna loop in range user underscore input plus 1, and then this time we're gonna have an if saying if f modulus 2 then equal to 1. So basically, whenever some number is divisible by 2 and it gives a remainder 1, so that basically means it's an odd number, and that's when we want to print that number f. Okay, let's do this. And yeah, let's say 45 till 45. So it gives 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15. Okay, till 45. That's basically it for the assignment. Now let's see what continue statements are. So let's say you have for loop, and so whatever loop you have, so when we do the while loops, so the things will be similar in even the while loops. So let's say you have a loop and then f in range, let's say 10. Okay, so what we did in the last video and even this video, the way we solved that printing the odd numbers and even numbers, so we can basically do, let's say the user gives 10, so we will be saying 11, so it's going to run 11 times, and then we want to print all the odd numbers. So what we can do, if okay, whenever, let's say we want to print the even ones, so let's say whenever f modulus 2 equal to 1, we want to print the even one, but this condition is for the odd integers, so you can see. So since when a number is divisible by 2 and it gives 1 as its remainder, that basically means that it's an odd integer. So what we want to do, right, continue. So what it basically does, whenever we see this continue statement, it basically skips that iteration. Okay, and then what we want to do, else, so this, so whenever this statement gets executed, it's just gonna continue. So the next, so f's gonna, so if the f, let's say, is 1, okay, so 1 divided by 2, which is 1, so f, so this statement is gonna execute and it's gonna say continue, meaning that nothing will be executed, and then f will turn into 2, and then the loop's gonna run, and then it's gonna hit this else part. So then what we want to do, want to print saying f. Let's run 0 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, so the same way we can do the odd integers. So whenever the value of f is even, we want to use the continue statements, meaning we want to skip that part and then move to the next iteration, and then we want to print f 1 3 5 7 9. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. In the next video, we're gonna do some more cool stuff with the for loop. And yeah, if you guys enjoy my content, please give a like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn the notification bell on. So yeah, we'll meet you in the next video.